Now that the projector is installed and calibrated, test the interactive pins on the board. Then do the same with your fingers. If your board has pin trays at the bottom, you may need to install the included infrared deflectors to avoid interference with the touch function. You can install the deflectors by placing them across the bottom of the board, just above the pin trays. If your projector includes the control pad, install it on the side of the whiteboard. Then connect the USB and Cat6 cables from the projector. You can attach HDMI and USB cables to the inputs located at the bottom of the control pad and connect the other ends of the cables to your computer. This will allow you to transfer video, audio, and interactive data to the projector. If your product came with the pin stand, install it. Attach the end cap to the mount arm. You have now completed the installation. For more information, see the online installation guide.